The WEG CFW500 drives are a feature-rich, high-performance VFD offering from Automation Direct. Its ability to produce full torque all the way down to 0 RPM is only one of the many great features. It does this using closed-loop vector control with encoder feedback. The CFW500 drives are available in standard IP20 enclosure, as well as an IP66 or NEMA 4X, which can be ordered with a built-in disconnect, which saves you the space, time, and effort of installing a NEMA 4X rated disconnect yourself. And since the NEMA 4X drive's built-in HMI is IP66 outdoor rated, you now have a drive that can be used in direct sunlight. The CFW500 IP20 units are available in 230-volt single-phase up to 3 horsepower, 230-volt 3-phase up to 40 horsepower, and 460-volt 3-phase up to 150 horsepower. The IP66 models are available in 230-volt single-phase up to 3 horsepower, 230-volt 3-phase up to 20 horsepower, and 460-volt 3-phase up to 30 horsepower. The CFW500 family has 2 remote keypads, one that is identical to the drive's built-in keypad, and another IP54 rated full alphanumeric keypad, which makes configuring and operating the drive much easier. The IP20 drives have an option that upgrades them to NEMA 1 to give you protection from falling debris. Safe Torque Off, or STO, which cuts power to the motor in emergency situations, is accomplished with an optional module, so you don't have to pay for that feature if you don't need it. And it takes things one step further by adding Safe Stop Off, which gives you control over the decel ramp in emergency situations, instead of just letting the STO free spin the motor down out of your control. All of the CFW500 drives come with an I/O module installed, and there are lots of optional I/O modules available to handle pretty much anything you can imagine, including USB configuration and Modbus TCP, Ethernet IP, and even Profinet communications. Plus, all the drives and the expansion modules have an RS-485 port, which supports a remote keypad, BACnet, and Modbus RTU. Because the CFW family of drives share the same parameter structure with common naming and numbering, upgrading an existing CFW100 or 320 to the CFW500 for the advanced features provided is quick and intuitive. The WPS configuration software gives you total control over commissioning and monitoring the drive, and it's completely free. You can download it today from the Automation Direct website. And since it's the exact same software you use on other WEG drive families, you may already be familiar with it, and can use it to manage all of your WEG drives and soft starters, not just the CFW500 family. Built into the free WPS software, the PLC programming lets you add extra functionality as you see fit using the CFW500 drive's built-in PLC controller. It's ideal for those times when you just need an extra timer or simple control logic and don't want the hassle or expense of adding an extra controller and components. Speaking of apps, there's even a Pump Genius app that walks you through setting up complicated pumping systems for both single and multi-drive systems. Automation Direct has lots of video tutorials on the CFW500's advanced features to help you get up and running quickly. Since all the WEG drives share the same configuration parameters, you can also watch the CFW100 and CFW300 or 320 videos to learn how to do the basic things on your CFW500 drive. Along with the free video tutorials, free configuration and programming software, free Pump Genius, free tech support, free 2-day delivery on all orders over $49, and a 45-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Try one today at AutomationDirect.com.